It was always my dream to go on a solo trip, so finally I decided to go for it. Hey everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. I know you already have seen the title. It's my first solo trip, and right now I am at McLeodganj, Himachal Pradesh. Please don't give me that look. I know it's not safe to travel to Himachal right now, but because I already had planned to come here, so I had to come. And then previously my plan was to go Manali, but then because of this landslides and whatever happened a few days back, so because of that I had to cancel my plan to Manali. And then I really didn't know like what to do, whether to come or not, but then I thought like no, I should go. So here I am at McLeodganj, Himachal Pradesh, and to be honest this place is really beautiful because, and it's my first time here, and I never thought that this place would be so beautiful. So I thought maybe that's the most beautiful place in Himachal Pradesh, but no, I think like all the villages. Yeah, mountains are beautiful. I mean we all agree with that. So just let me tell you like how and all I planned, and how did I come here, when did I come, and after that I'm gonna go give a hostel tour. So right now I'm staying at the hostel at McLeodganj. So I'm gonna give a hostel tour after this. So first I had booked my flight from Odisha to Delhi. How I was feeling? I was feeling happy, scared, nervous and excited at the same time. And the moment I landed on Delhi, तब तो एक अलग ही खुशी थी. I never felt so much of happiness. Next, I took a cab from airport to Delhi ISBT. Good thing about vlogging, you feel famous. Ha ha ha. Guys, see I got a new subscriber here. Say hi.
हेलो
आपका नाम क्या है?
अनिमेश
आप कहाँ से हो?
मेरठ।
अच्छा, तो आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो अभी?
मैं बिजनेस टूर पे आया था यहाँ पर।
Say hi.
हेलो प्रियंका।
Then finally I boarded to my bus safely. So now the journey starts to Dharamshala. And I woke up to this view next day morning. And welcome to Himachal Pradesh. Then I took a local bus to reach McLeodganj, and it cost me only 20 rupees. Then I took a taxi from McLeodganj bus stop to reach McLeodganj. So it's better you take a taxi from Dharamshala bus stop itself, so you can save some time over there. The moment I reached McLeodganj, I realized that the road is completely broken and I have to climb up. So I would suggest you to take a rucksack or a backpack. Okay, now time for hostel tour. So my favorite corner at this hostel is this. It's the library. So here if you see, we have a swing and also so many books are there. In case you are a book lover, then you can come here and you can read books. I mean you can pass your time. And then the view from here, it is like if you see, and it's the balcony. this is my bed. Actually, it's messy right now. And it's the common area if you see. And also they have a kitchen over here, so in case you want to have something like breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can have here. And so it's the menu, so you can have whatever you like. So let's just go out and check out. The garden area, so here also you can sit and chill and you can also walk here. But जब से मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ, यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे बैठना भी इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. So guys, I hope you like this video. Then please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel in case you are new here. And आज की ज्ञान, please go on a solo trip to experience things because it's fun. Yes. Okay, then see you next time. Bye bye.